Hi parents and students, this is Mr. Schaefer and I'm just sending you a quick video of how to log on to your Google Drive at home so you can access all your information that you do on your Chromebooks here at school. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you are using Chrome as your web browser. So you need to see this little icon right down here. That needs to be what kind of web page you have open. So that is what you need to have first. It will work on a PC or a Mac. You just have to download it. If you don't have Chrome, just go and open up a Google search and just go and type in Google Chrome download. And it will come up to a download that you can go and install Google Chrome on your computer. So, or Chrome browser. That's the first thing that you need to do. After you have Chrome and you open it up for the first time, it's going to go and ask for your email address and also the password. So students use the one that you use on your Chromebooks here at school, and you should have all the information that you would have on your Chromebook. Now, say somebody has Chrome and they're logged onto it already at home, then there's a real simple way to get to all your information as well. If you just come up here to the little icon and you come down to Manage People. When you do that, it's going to come up like you are adding an extra person on your Chromebook. So you just go and add person. You're going to give it a name and whatever icon you want it to be. It doesn't really matter. And then you just hit add. And when you do that, it is going to go and get started. And so you can go and add whichever things that you want on there. You can skip that as well. You can pick your background picture, and it doesn't really matter which ones you pick. And then you can go and continue. And then it's going to ask for your email address. So you put your email address in. And you're going to hit next. It's going to ask for your password. You put that in, and then it should log you on, and you should be able to access everything that you would have on your Chromebook. And now I'm not actually going to add this account, so but that is how you would do that. So then while I have this video going here, I'm going to talk a little bit about how to prepare for our tests, where we have resources. And so I'm including the link to the homework page. On the bottom, we have all of the weeks that we've already covered. The one that we are currently on will always be on the left, or you can click on these lines here. It's always going to be the top one. Right here, you're going to see flashcards, and those flashcards are going to help give us some information to get us ready for our test. And so it'll be through Quizlet. Down on the bottom, we have all the terms that are listed. On the top, there are options, flashcards. You click on the flashcard, it goes to the opposite side. You can see the definition. You will know that you know them very well when you can look at the term lithosphere, and you can tell me what the lithosphere is without looking at the other side of the card. When you can do that, you truly know the definition. Do not get in the habit of going and just memorizing this. The solid part of the upper mantle, it contains plates that move. And if I change any of the words in there, you all of a sudden don't know it. So make sure that you can pretty much put it in your own words. That truly tells me that you know it. Make sure you know all 22 of them. There's going to be about 20 questions on your test, and then pass. If students know about half the flashcards, they get about half of the questions right on the test. So make sure that you know each of them. If you ever have any questions, feel free to email me or let me know. Have a great day.